Look at all the G animals! Giraffe, goat, gorilla, you did amazing! Hi friends, my name is Milo. Today we will learn letter G animals.
So many animals.
Are you ready? Let's go! This is letter G. G for giraffe. It has a long neck. This is letter G. G for groundhog. Look, it lives in the ground. G for gorilla. Look at the gorilla. G for goldfish. Look at the fish. It swims in water. G for goat. Look at the goat. It eats grass. For guinea pig. Look at the guinea pig. It is very cute. G for gazelle. Look at the gazelle. It runs very fast. G for guppy. Look at the fish. It swims in water. G for gecko. Look at the gecko. It can climb walls. G for gerbil. Look at the gerbil. It is very small. G for goose. Look at this. It can swim. Wow! Look at those! Giraffe, goat, gorilla, goose, and gold. G for gharial. It has a long nose. Great job, friends! You learned letter G. Giraffe, goat, gorilla, goose, and goldfish. Let's learn again.